Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge two Canva documents quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a presentation, ebook, or multi-page project, consolidating your designs into one file saves time and keeps everything organized. Start by opening Canva in your browser and navigate to the first document containing the pages you want to merge. Switch to grid view by clicking the grid icon in the top right corner. This makes it easy to see all your pages at once. Hold down Shift and click the pages you want to copy, then press Ctrl+C or Command+C or Mac to copy them. Next, open the second Canva document where you want these pages to go. Press Ctrl+V, PC or Command+V, Mac to paste the copied pages. You will now see all the selected pages appear in your new project. From here, you can rearrange them as needed to create a cohesive layout, and that's it. You've successfully merged two Canva documents into one seamless project. This trick is perfect for keeping your multi-page designs organized and ready to share.